everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Rachel and this is Stitched Up. So it's been a few days, but I have got my my So Obsessed subscription box from the Fabric Obsession. It's just arrived. And I know lots of people got theirs yesterday, but mine has just arrived today. So I thought I would come on and do a little unboxing with you. So thank you for all the love on my last vlog, which was my blouse, my 10 blouses for April, for the Sew April blouse challenge that I uploaded last week. And yes, lots of you have given me such lovely feedback on that, so thank you so much. Keep your eyes peeled because there is another one coming out soon that is hopefully just going to be just as interesting for you, so I will be filming that shortly. But for today we're going to open this little box. This is likely to be a quick vlog from me today. I think I'll start by just telling you what I'm wearing. Quite often I forget to do this, but I will tell you today. So I am wearing my top that I made back in January for the Patterns and Plains ambassador role that I do. So this is a top by Fibre Mood. I can't remember the name of it, if I'm perfectly honest, but I will put it across the screen so you are aware. It's got this really lovely sort of funnel neck collar with wide sleeves. I really love these sleeves actually. I know quite a lot of the time we're always tempted to gather them into a cuff, aren't we? But I like the fact that these are left wide. They don't come full length, they are sort of 3/4 length. And it's got this really sort of deep keyhole detail at the back with buttons on that I made myself, which I love. And I'm just wearing it with ready to wear jeans today. Enjoying the little bit of sunshine that we've got. And I've got my sapphire frills earrings in, just these little pink ones, which are really cute. So I get the cool box, the cool colorway from the So Obsessed subscription box. And I know, as I mentioned, a few people got theirs yesterday and a couple of people have already put their unboxings up, which is just so tempting to watch, but I do like to be surprised, so I have avoided them. I know my lovely Rowan, she put hers up yesterday, she got her box yesterday, and I am itching to watch her vlog and I haven't yet, and she's not given me any clue whatsoever what is in this month's box. I am still on track with my Fabric Obsession subscription boxes, so I think since they started, I think is this the third or fourth now? Can't quite remember. But I have sewn up every fabric that I've got so far, which is brilliant. I am just falling behind a bit with particularly my dream wardrobe, and yeah, I need to get that done. Beyond the Pink Door, there is one outstanding for that, which is a cord, which I am stashing until later on in the year because it's not cord weather now. We are coming into spring, warmer weather. Yeah, so that will be done later in the year. But Dream Wardrobe I'm well behind on. So anyway, let's crack on and we'll open the So Obsessed subscription box. So this box is gorgeous. I love the girls so much, as you know. They're just killing it at the moment. They really are. And I'm really excited to get my box. I didn't know it was coming this week, I have to say, because we didn't get any notifications. And I know Becky did put a little a sort of quick chat on stories on Instagram last night. So if you're not on Instagram and you get the subscription box from the Fabric Obsession, she did mention that all the boxes had gone out. They all had full tracking, but for some reason Royal Mail hadn't sent the emails out to people. So I'd just completely forgotten, to be honest. I've had a lot on these last few days and I didn't even realise until I saw the notification from Rowan's channel that she'd put her unboxing up, and then saw Becky's little note. So anyway, mine's come today. Let's get on and open it. So this box costs, I think it's £49 altogether, I think, from what I can remember. Inside you've got QR code which takes you to the ebook and a little note that tells us we've got 2.5 meters of viscose in this month. And then I've got the cool colorway, as I say, so it does come in 2 different colorways, cool or warm, with this beautiful blue tissue paper. And then we get little gifts in here as well, plus thread. It's all very exciting. So I love viscose, so I'm really excited to see what we've got. So firstly, we have a shower steamer. Better than your morning coffee, menthol and eucalyptus, because who has time for baths? I certainly don't at the minute. So this says how to use me. Turn on your shower and wait for it to get nice and steamy. This matters. Place me on the floor just out of the main stream of water. Sprinkle some water on me and watch me fizz. Breathe in the minty steamy aroma and soak in the spa vibes. Wow, that sounds really interesting. I've not seen anything like that before. So it says my 100% naturally sourced ingredients on the side as well. Let's get steamy. Let's have a look inside and see what it is. Oh, so it's like a bath bomb, like a bath fizzer, but you use it in the shower. Oh, smells amazing. Yeah, I'm going to love trying that. So thank you, girls. Next up, we have thread. So we have a white Gutterman thread. This is the white one, isn't it? Colour 800. And then what else have we got in here? We've got a little pink tin. A little pink tin, which has got very sort of William Morris vibes about it, hasn't it? And it says on the back, these are mini mints, which are nice. Always good to freshen your breath with. I can't get into them at the minute. I think it's sealed. Yeah, it is. It's sealed. So a minty theme this month going on. Let's have a look at the fabric. It's gorgeous. Of course it's gorgeous. Oh, I love it. I love it so much. It's beautiful. Are you ready? Are you ready to see this? I want to make this up right now. It's beautiful. So we've got this blue and white leaf print viscose. I'm standing back here so you can see the scale of it. It is absolutely gorgeous. I love a leaf print. I've always loved a leaf print. And I love the leaf print on this because it's got, can you see it's sort of like a, I don't know how to describe it, like a, it's almost like a, not whitewashed effect, but it's not a solid leaf print, if that makes sense. It's got some kind of, it looks like it's been painted. I guess that's what I mean. It's beautiful, absolutely beautiful. I love this so much. I am really keen to see what the other colourway is for the warm tone. Oh, it's gorgeous. Gorgeous, girls. You couldn't have picked a better fabric. I actually, oh, what can I make with this? I am wondering, because you know that I'm just wondering if I have enough. I made the jumpsuit that I wore to the Stitch Festival, the Rowena by Victory Patterns. My memory, honestly, is shocking right now. And I love that pattern so much. I'm wondering if I've got enough here to make another one of those, because that would be so nice for spring and summer. And I do love that pattern. I think I might actually try that, you know. I'm going to get this in the wash straight away. Right, what I'm going to do next is I'm going to scan the ebook, have a look at it, come back to you. Okay, so hopefully I will have put the video clip in here for you. I'm just going to put my glasses on while we have a look. So this month, the So Obsessed magazine is Botanical Bliss and Crafty Calm. So let's have a look. So this is the 4th. We are on the 4th So Obsessed box in April. This month, what the girls say is that when they were planning this box, they wanted something that felt airy and uplifting, fabric that moves beautifully, feels gorgeous against the skin, and instantly brings a bit of spring indoors. Something perfect for those days when the weather can't decide between sunshine and showers, but you still want to feel put together. So this is a viscose poplin, light drapey, breathable, and a dream for spring sewing. So in the box this month, we have the 2.5 meters of viscose poplin and a arts and crafts mini slider mint tin, the steamy shower bomb, and the sew all thread. The option I've got is cool leaf. This has all the depth of deep turquoise with that fresh botanical boldness, and then the warm leaf, which is shades of orange and fiery red by the looking of it. It looks gorgeous, to be fair, but I will go and watch Ruan's vlog after filming this because she gets the warm colourway. So then we go into the styling guide where the girls have gone through how to pair your fabric once you've made it up with accessories, etc. Over the page, we've got a little bit more information about viscose poplin, what to sew with it, how it behaves, and why it works so well for big prints. Oh, wow. So next we've got what the girls have made with their version. So Becky is the cool tone like myself, and she has made the absolutely stunning blouse. So this is the Bellissima blouse and tunic. Who makes that then? Does it say? I'm not sure. Can't read at the minute, but it does. But it looks absolutely gorgeous on her. I love it. It's beautiful. And then Adele. Oh wow! So Adele has made a beautiful dress. So this is an Adriana dress. It looks absolutely gorgeous. I bet she's taken that to Florida with her because I think she's in Florida at the minute. Looks amazing. Then over the page, we've got pattern pics of what you can make if you are looking for inspiration with your fabric. So we've got the Bellissima blouse. It's by My Handmade Wardrobe. The Wilder gown by Friday Pattern Company. Oh, wow. Yeah, that would be incredible. The Elodie wrap dress by Closet Core. The Adriana dress is by the Patterns Room. I've never made any of their patterns, actually. I'll have to go check that designer out. Tilly and the Buttons Marnie, Fibre Mood Norma blouse, Sew Over It Pussy Bow blouse. There's loads and loads of ideas that you can make with this fabric. So next we have Cool Toned Makers and what they made with last month's fabric, including me. I'm on there. So we've got some amazing designs. Becky's made the Bryce dress by Croset Core. It's Closet Core, isn't it? That's a dress that I want to make, actually. So Jade has made the Maze, which is the pattern by Little Rosy Cheeks. There's some beautiful ideas on here. I love Emmy's Winnie's by Made for Mermaids. She looks like she's put like a stripe down the side, a bit like what I did on my joggers. Wonderful. And then we've got Warm Tiger Makers as well from last month. So Lynn has made the Chalk and Notch Page hoodie, which is amazing. And yeah, Val has made a Batwing top, which is great. Sue's made the Westcliff dress. Wow. So the winner this month is Lynn with her Chalk and Notch Page hoodie. It looks amazing. Absolutely fabulous. She's put piping in to highlight the raglan as well, which is just great. Tutorial of the month is how to add a frill to a collar. So there is a link for that as well, which is amazing. And then that's it. So next month we've got Big Shapes, Soft Drape, something shifting with the seasons. Exciting. So we will just have a quick look at this gorgeous fabric again because, oh, it's just beautiful. And I'm thinking the Wilder gown now, although I don't know if I can get Wilder gown out of 2.5 meters, to be honest. But I don't know what do you think? Dress, or should I make another one of those jumpsuits? Answers on a postcard down below in the comments. Let me know what you think because, yeah, I want to get this made up ASAP. It is gorgeous. So that's it from me today. As I say, knew it would be a quick one. Hope you've enjoyed looking at my So Obsessed subscription box this month. Take care of yourselves. I'll be back with you real soon. Bye.